Where the main interest. I'll put all the price around here, and we got discount from trip.com. And yeah, let's see, enjoy what is there. They're checking the bag for some reason. If they just want, maybe they just want us to buy food. So the ticket is here. You just QR and you'll go in. The entry is through a shop. It's freezing because it was raining, right? And it's supposed to be in the end. When you're leaving, you should go interest. But instead, you enter the shop first, then go inside the park. My mom forced me to buy this. I guess it's not bad, but yeah, it was around like 60 to up to 30% discount. So far the park it looks nice, especially the this thing. The big beach. I'm not sure it's real sand or not. I didn't expect to win light for that. I thought it was twisted. That's why I decided to come. Or else I would have came and chatted the thunder for that year. Yeah, but it's busy. And I tried to record the year around me. I just clicked record, but they said put the phone under my shirt, so yeah, I couldn't. So let's see if I can record for this right.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it looks cool.
Oh my god, oh my god!
I'm pretty high. He's so tired. You know, he's been overweight. I thought it was right here, but we instead came in the top of this shit. Taking the line, but it's taking too long. I don't think it's worth for that long for 6 seconds splash. So next time. Push it so I can do this again. Come on, come on. That's so strong, that's funny. I don't know why people scream, it's not that scary though.
Actually, no.
It looks good. I went to that one, now going to this one. It will just drop you immediately. Of the water park, so now we're going to eat. I think we're going to the airport to eat. Let's see, because it's closer to the park. At this point, it looks like a mall. So there's no line. I remember in Pavilion there's too much line. So yeah, let's see the food. It's expansion, so you can buy the drinks over here. It was expensive, so total was 130 for 4 of us. Here's the price. My food. So let's see how it tastes. With the chicken.
You take that picture.
The sambal is good. Whatever is this? 2 chocolate drink. Both of them I think is around like 40, 50, I don't remember, but it's too expensive. Okay, so Uncle Roger food is, I guess it's nice, not bad, but it's not that amazing like what I expected. I mean, you can get in Mama Nasi Goreng for like fraction of the price, so yeah. So I get, his sign is everywhere. Kind of weird just coming to the airport to eat. And yeah, so this is it for the video, and plane is flying. Perfect view. So see you in the next video.